What is up, guys? Izzy here. Subscribe, like, and today we are going to be blowing up a bunch of fireworks. Hey! We are going to be blowing up these huge maximum blasts. I cannot show how much fun this is going to be. All you gotta do is metal, steel, solid. Just plop this right in. Light this up and boom, there it goes. This thing is actually, I would have to say, maybe about 6 inches. Just this thing. So that for sure has to have a whole bunch of firepower on it.
This is the fireworks setup that we have today. Hey, we got Red Devils. These things are gonna make a big boom in this bucket right here. We got, let's see, 100 pieces in each pack. Oh yeah.
Big boom. Happy 2020, everybody.
It's 12! It's 2020, guys. Happy 2020.
You want to get a close-up on this?
Watch out, Dad.